Go womp his ass, you're a girl driver. Go get him.
It gets up there quick.
It gets sketchy fast. Smell my brakes. She's so sweet. Sweet. I'm trying.
You gotta really be on the brakes when on that straight. You gotta make sure you slow down and stabilize before you get into this, because this car is changing.
Okay. I'm gonna send it full sned. Today we're racing at Pocono, right? Mm-hmm. Me, by we, I mean I am racing, turd. Bull racing with Jorge. Tuned it on ethanol finally, and this bitch made 719 horsepower. Stock, block, stock, everything really.
Yeah, I mean, it's all stock, just like head studs and valve springs.
Yeah. RB25 DET NEO, baby. We'll see how she do today. It's my first roll race event, so I really have no clue how I'm gonna do. My first race to it racing. I've been to many of them. As a racer though, it's your girl's first time doing a roll race, so wish me luck. I'm gonna have fun. You'll see my turd next to Jorge. It's really, Edgar thinks I'm gonna hurt some feelings. I don't think so, but I think these cars are super fast at this event. I shined her up.
Polishing a turd.
I have Edgar's mats in my car so she don't look as beat, and my dash didn't come in. My dash cover didn't come in on time, so we still rock in the Grand Canyon dash. And I did get my new shift knob though, which is really just an OEM shift knob. Oh yeah, my new shift knob.
Yeah. It's just like one of the Skyline.
It's nothing crazy, just regular leather, so I don't burn the shit out of my hand. Because somehow I always end up with like those metal wall shift knobs, and
oh, that's hot.
They suck. So I've got my injectors clean, which I don't know if I told anybody that I'm running the 2000s, which I didn't know either. Anyway, big injectors, so I got fucking a slight miss on idle for whatever reason. But whatever, who gives a f***? We're gonna send it full sned. Alright, I'm gonna go. See you later. Alright, we're here at Pocono. About to do parade lap, my first time. Toy, like a toy gun. It is hot to truck.
Oh yeah, go womp his ass, you're a girl driver. Go get him.
So this I'm gonna take until about like 50.
Right, get the car up to 50 quick. You gotta get up to quick. And then stabilize around 50 to 55. And then punch it as soon as the car gets to like the orange cones. So by the time you hit the green cone, you're at 65.
You can go, right?
Yep. There you go, slow down a little bit. Yep. You good? Too soon.
I think it's tried to brake a little bit before, you know, like.
Before what?
I saw I was at, I don't know what my start was. Damn, I didn't even know I spun. I mean, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah.
It
Yeah, that's why
holds
the
though.
RB
It holds pretty good.
Yeah.
I was like, where's my light? Where's my light?
You know, you probably won't be able to see it because it's so
No,
bright.
I saw it. I saw it at the end. I got out of it at the end, just to let you know. Like
Yeah, no, like I'm right here, baby.
Yeah.
once you were done with fourth, you let off.
Yeah.
And pretty much coasted like a 138 or something.
That's pretty fun. Hey, bud.
How was it?
It's
That's
fun.
pretty good.
My shit's fast.
I got out of it at the end.
She let off.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like
It gets up there quick.
it gets sketchy fast.
There you go, slow down. Yep. You're good. You're good. Too soon.
My face is so on.
You guys could turn the boost up and
Nah.
down on that one too?
No, I don't have a knob on this car. No.
I spun.
And she spun when she hit it at second. Or that one, the third gear. Yeah, she spun.
Do third, and then I realized like I'm going too slow, so I'm punching on second and. But yeah, that was a nice run.
I wanted to kind of get a feel for it. It's hard. I wanted to see how fast I took off.
Yeah.
Live timing, 61.6.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that
That's
good?
What was your mile an hour?
127. 140, 58.6.
Yeah, you did 140.
Yeah, I let off. I got it. Once I was top of fourth, I popped it into fifth and got off. Like I didn't, because the whole car's like.
I don't know. You took off at towards the end. You started just pulling from. I was like, holy shit.
Once that turbo spools up, you know, it takes a little bit.
Yeah, because she spun third, hit it in fourth, and then it's just fuck, it just started taking off.
What power are you running it at?
It's all the way up.
720. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You did good then.
So.
Well, we got all day. We might get a good.
Yeah.
Hell
It'll be good.
All right, cool. I'm going again. So.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going again.
We'll go up. Yeah.
You got him, I think. It was damn close.
Yeah, I think it was pretty close.
It was close. I know you had him at the end.
Yeah.
Try it again. Good luck.
They're gonna get hot. They're gonna stink.
Afterwards, get on the brake on the straight.
Right.
Yeah, I know. This
get
is
the car.
scary.
Get the car slowed down.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare the shit out of you.
But we're coming in at 130.
Were we?
Yeah.
Oh, so how fast did I go? I think I need to check my start time on that.
We started at 61.6.
Good.
And you did 141.6.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So
Yeah,
you just got bumped into the 140 class.
Cool. That was better, right?
No.
Oh, sorry.
You need the only one. There's a bunch of you there.
What did I do? I put it the wrong way?
You gotta go through both and then through one.
That's nice.
Oh, like, yeah, you're a girl driver.
Yeah, he's like, go whoop his ass.
About to get clapped, guys. number 5. I need my helmet, love. That's so steep. Screaming.
Started too fast.
Huh?
Started too fast.
Did I?
66.35.
What was my track?
145.
145. Damn, 66. I mean, and 65.99 is the thing, right? Ugh.
Yep.
That one's a DQ run. It's a stinker. Fuck. I was close to it too. 145 though. That's pretty fast. I bet I could get it till.
Yeah, because you should be able to get that with an official start.
Yeah. How fast do you think it could go?
Probably 150.
Really? Okay, so here I am editing Duffy's video for Pan Am, and I see all the guys roll up. Edgar says it'll do it. He says it'll do it. Alright. Don't mind my hands as I painted the trailer and turned myself into a leper. Hold on. You don't have to push it on pump, babe. That was what, $4.93? That's what I figured I was making, about $500. You want? Let's put on ethanol. Alright, what 24 pounds of a boost?
It'll do 700.
You're that
Just gotta be
confident.
sweet with it.
I know, but like for how long?